Welcome to Margo Mix, and today we will be making this Alexander McQueen inspired ruffled top. She's cute, she's sexy, she's giving drama, and with that said, let's cut to the make. So you're going to need a bra, whether strapless or otherwise. You could cut the straps off and then we'll reattach them later in the video. You're going to need a piece of fabric long enough and wide enough to cover the entire bra. Fold the raw edges, pin and stitch along the outside edges of the bra. To define the cups, which is a detailed part of the design, we're going to stitch along where I have outlined with the pins. Now let's move on to the festivities. Yes, the sleeves. I have hemmed both sides of the raw edges. I did a loose top stitch on the inside section where I'm going to attach the straps so that I can pull the thread to make the ruffles. You should end up with something looking like this. Measure your bra strap and stitch them together. For the ruffles in the front, I zigzag stitched a smaller strip of fabric to stop it from fraying. I also used the same technique that I used to make the ruffles for the sleeves. I then attached it to the outside perimeters of the cups. For a nice clean finish, I top stitched the ruffles in the front, and then we're going to attach the straps to the outsides of the cups. Just like most relationships, when they end, they need closure. But fortunately for this one, we're tying the knot. We're going to add 2 strips of fabric to the end of the bra to make a beautiful bow in the back. And there you have it. You've just turned your boring everyday bra into a sexy and chic outfit ready for brunch, a night out with the girls, or even a birthday outfit. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on all socials at Margo_Mix, and I'll see you in the next one.